The Wisconsin National Primate Research Center is taking strides in its research to find a solution for Parkinson's disease. These scientists dedicate their careers to be able to publish this kind of research. Meryl Hubbard spoke with local scientists that just completed one big study that could eventually help people with Parkinson's.
The Wisconsin National Primate Research Center is making an impact in how to treat Parkinson's disease. After decades of research, they were able to jumpstart a new treatment trial for Parkinson's.
One step farther forward. That's the main thing.
The Primate Research Center is supported by the National Institute of Health. Scientists here do the bulk of their research on primates. Most recently, they published a study where they worked with monkeys to develop a treatment for people with Parkinson's.
This study was investigating a novel surgical approach for delivering iPSCs to the brain of monkeys to study the application of that surgical technique for treating Parkinson's disease.
Through the study, scientists found that grafting neurons grown from monkeys' own cells back into their brains reverses Parkinson's symptoms in monkeys. So now they want to use this to help humans with the disease.
One of the typical symptoms of Parkinson's disease is the tremor, the slowness of movement, the rigidity. And that happens because there is one part of the brain that's called the substantia nigra that has neurons that produce dopamine. Those neurons die when you have Parkinson's. They die a little bit at a time.
This study is moving on to clinical trials that are being done with humans in California.
So the idea is to put the cells where the dopamine is needed.
After countless hours dedicated to this research, these scientists say it's more than worth it.
This is one step further closer to find solutions for Parkinson's.
It's worth it. It's worth it when you can see that it actually is going to help patients. It's worth it.
For the researchers here in Madison, the job is done for this study. Now, they're just anxiously awaiting to hear how the clinical trials are going with Aspen Neuroscience. Reporting in downtown Madison, I'm Meryl Hubbard, News 3 Now.
To learn more about this research, you can visit the Wisconsin National Primate Research Center website.